how to use range names for the list. So supposing I want to add a list here. Now supposing I have about 30 different sheets, they've all got masses of data in, and it gets a bit of a pain. Suppose I'm here, supposing I'm like in cell XFD 1,048,576 or something. It gets a pain and I want to do a list there. It's a pain to go back all the time to try and find this list of cities. So in that case, it's really good practice to create a name for this range. So selecting them all, so click with the left button, keeping it the left button pressed down, drag it down to the bottom, selecting them, and in here you see it says name box. So click there and type in a name. Now I'm going to give it the name cities. Now when you give it a name, what you can't do is use a space. You can't call it cities of the world. There's got to be one word, and you can't put something which might be a cell reference. So I can't just type C1 or something. But as long as it's a word like that, you'll be fine. So I've written cities, I press enter, and now I've created a name there, a named range. So wherever I am in the spreadsheet, if I'm back here on row 1,000,000, I click on that triangle and I see the word cities, click on that, and immediately it goes back there and selects that. So this is particularly good also for printing out. If there's an area of the spreadsheet you print out, it's really good to have a named range like that. Makes it much easier than selecting it all the time. So we can also use this for the drop-down box. So supposing I want to create a drop-down box here. So what I do is the same thing as before, click on data validation. So data validation is what Excel calls drop-down box. It doesn't actually call it a drop-down box, which is what everyone else calls it. So no matter what you call it, just click on that, data validation, then the same thing, list, and then click source, and instead of then trying to find the sheet and the range, press F3. If you press F3, then your names come up, and then you can select the name, and then do OK, and then OK. And here you have your list. And you can just select one. And so it has the same result as that, but it's just easier and tidier. Especially if you have a very big spreadsheet, so you can find where the list is. And also, of course, in real life, I've got these blank sheets. This one, you might rename this lists, because you might have several lists in this spreadsheet, and it's nice to have them all together so you can find them. And this is a very important page of the spreadsheet. So now we've done that one.